During the COVID-19 pandemic, a hybrid synchronous asynchronous teaching model was applied by the university. For asynchronous teaching, pre-recorded lecture videos have been used. Many colleagues recorded their lectures the same way they delivered in an hour or 2 hour sessions in lecture theaters. We had this experience from lecture stream capture that in long videos, students found it difficult to find a particular part of the lecture they wanted to study or revise. They had to go back and forward in the video to find that part, and sometimes they had to watch the whole lecture to find a topic which was explained in just a couple of minutes. I have used two approaches to help students to study through the recorded lectures more efficiently. In the first year of the pandemic, instead of recording the whole lecture in one video, I split the lecture into a few shorter videos based on the subject. For example, these are the recorded videos for a 2 hour long session, lecture session, and instead of recording all in one video, I have split them to 6 videos. Each of them is 10 or 20 minutes, some of them are longer. This method, although it was helpful, but it was not enough, because to maintain the integrity of the subject, the split videos could not be shorter than 10 to 20 minutes. In the second approach, I used Articulate Storyline 360 to create a menu for recorded lectures based on topics and uploaded it to the VLE as a SCORM package. The students can select the part they want to study from a detailed menu with sections and subsections. There is a seek bar as well. They can go through the different parts of the session or section using the seek bar, and also there are back and forward buttons. They can go to previous section or next section. I have also uploaded the closed captions from the original video, which was recorded in Canvas Studio, to Storyline 360, and if the students they want to see the closed captions, they can select it. In this way, students can easily navigate through the recorded lectures and find the part that they want to study or revise. The method is being evaluated as a part of an educational research project alongside some other activities used by some colleagues and I during the pandemic. The evaluation has not been completed. However, verbal comments by students show that the students are very happy with the activity. The activity also shows a high usage by students from the statistics in Canvas. It had also an impact on the staff. Some colleagues have shown interest in using the activity in their modules. Although it takes time to create them, but I believe that it is worth it. By using the guidance that I will be happy to provide, it will take 2 or 3 times of the lecture video length to create an activity. Something that I would like to change is to add the duration of each section or subsection in the menu. In this way, the students already know the length of the topic they want to study, which helps them to manage their time better. Benefits of the activity for students is obvious. It makes it much easier for them to study or revise the lecture materials through the recorded lecture videos. And hence, it enhances their learning and their satisfaction. It has also benefit for lecturers. They can enhance the usage of the recorded lectures. We will hopefully pass this sad and difficult time, and I hope that teaching goes back to normal very soon. However, the method will have applications after the pandemic as well. Lecture stream capture is standard in the university, and creating a menu makes them more useful. Pre-recorded lecture videos, which have a better quality than stream capture videos, can also be used as extra learning materials in the future. Providing a menu for either of these videos make them more useful. Thank you for watching.